When I meet with prospective clients, I often get asked, what kind of returns can I expect working with you? The answer is complex because all portfolios are built a little differently depending on someone's goals and risk profile. While I can't guarantee specific returns, I can provide insights into historical performance and potential risks associated with different investment options. It's important to understand that investment returns can vary based on market conditions, asset allocation, and other factors. You can think of it this way. Imagine you have a garden where you plant different types of seeds. Each seed represents a different investment, like stocks, bonds, real estate, etc. Now, just like in your garden, some seeds will grow into strong, healthy plants that yield lots of fruit or flowers. These represent investments that generate high returns. Other seeds might grow into smaller plants or not grow much at all, representing investments with lower returns. Sometimes unexpected things happen in the garden, like bad weather or pests, which can affect how well your plants grow. Similarly, in the investment world, factors like economic conditions, market volatility, or company performance can impact your returns. So investing is like tending to a garden. You plant a variety of seeds, investments. Some grow better than others, and you have to nurture them over time to help them thrive. Just like you can't control everything in the garden, you can't predict exactly how your investments will perform, but with careful planning and attention, you can aim for a fruitful harvest. Our goal is to work together to develop a diversified investment strategy aligned with your financial objectives and risk tolerance. My responsibility is to understand your investment goals and explore options that best suit your needs.